Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. Today is another cooking episode. So we will be making the famous apple pie in McDonald's. For our ingredients, we will need puff pastry. You can buy it ready-made or you can make your own. We also need butter, brown sugar, cinnamon powder, salt, egg for the egg wash, and apple slices. So first is we clean, peel, and slice the apple into small pieces. We melt the butter on a heated pan, just on a medium heat. Add in the apples and cook it for about 2 minutes. Add in the sugar, the cinnamon powder, and the salt. Cook for another 5 minutes. Remove from heat and then set it aside. Roll the puff pastry and cut the dough into a rectangular shape. Then, place the cooked apples on the center of the dough. Cover it with another rectangular dough which has 4 slits on top. To seal the edges, press it with a fork. Transfer it to a greased baking sheet, brush with egg wash on the top. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here is our finished product, pocket apple pies. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Until next time.